Voilà. Donc, comme ça n'était your previous lesson, you say about abusing French vowels, French vowel sounds. And you ever started And to be say we your previous lessons in the morning, you can say accent in so accent also and I say accent graph also nina so and when you were examples and maybe it say la tasse, la pâtisserie, la bar so nina sound on ye afe ye just be wa ye wo and after so and also nina the same pronunciation. Example so maybe to say le petit, la fleur. So also and oba is also a so because I don't know accent and also it's a and after a. Examples and maybe to say le café, le nez, parler. Enfin, your sounds and we also to say and enfin It will kind of be an answer who sound the way I will wear the beer more. Examples: la mer, la fenêtre, clair, la neige. Enfin, essence ou I and I. Example: vite, la gîte, le or les pays. Enfin, your French sounds vowels a bit to say o. So anti vowels way are hanging now with the same sound o, even though with different spelling. Example: le mot, les côtes, aujourd'hui, l'eau. Enfin, ou. Example: l'amour, ou. Your another vowel example to say wa. And then what kind French na say sound way wa. Sarah also and y and also say wa. Example to say moi, moyen. Afe nia essential and coffee bebre adwen pa ene sound way sa na eno no you try say anka ibenya eno no sound no be English na it was very difficult. Unfortunately nya bi wo twi mu and it is a tree your sound I am pempero motabono now so word in a sound example to say adisuya suya enko suya sa it is a sound what no ha say no tree emono sound and pepe and suna ete French mo it is a kind there that's a we yemono nti aya the student ne bi no mo ebo no obra mo kai ade yemono the sound no to say sound a ewo twi mo to say adusua nkosua sua nti into a French mo no ye wo word bi to say salut ça peut être ete ɛno nti anuanom saa sound wei a yɛaka ho asɛm no nyinaa ɛno sɛ wobɔ mmɔden na sɛ wankasa wotrae ɛwɔ fie sɛ wobɛkɔ ne nyinaa mu maako a ɛbɛwie saa sound lesson wei mu nyinaa no na woahu akenkan ɛwɔ French mu very easily saa na woahu akenkan de any article biara ɛma wo a wobɛtumi akan just sɛ bi a 1 or 2 words bi pɛ ɛna ɛbɛyɛ wo den but anyɛ sa in general sɛ wobɔ mmɔden na sɛ wosua saa sound wei mu a yɛreka ho asɛm yi a wobɛtumi akan easily nti yɛda wo ase bebree merci beaucoup les frères